Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can clear search history on Instagram. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to your account's homepage. In order to clear the search history, go to the Discover page of your account by tapping on the magnifying glass icon. Now, tap on the search bar at the top and you can see that there are some searches present here. For the sake of this tutorial, I will search for another account and you can see that the search history just keeps on piling up. In order to clear it, tap on See All and then tap on the Clear All embed present at top right corner of the screen. Then confirm the action and all of the searches will be deleted. So that's basically how you can clear search history on Instagram. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.